Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Fever. Here I am with some important current affairs. So let's get started. Number 1. Haryana will host 2021 Khelo India Youth Games, 4th edition. Number 2. Nitrogen dioxide levels fell by more than 70% in New Delhi during lockdown. Number 3. World Hepatitis Day is observed on July 28. The day aims to boost national and international efforts on hepatitis and encourage actions and engagement by individuals and partners to enhance the awareness regarding the disease. Number 4. President Ramnath Kovind appoints Anandiben Patel as the Governor of Madhya Pradesh. The power conferred by Articles 155 and 160 of Indian Constitution. Number 5. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor launches macadamization program for the improvement of roads of Jammu and Kashmir. Number 6. Indian team's 2018 Asian Games silver medal 4 into 400 mixed relay has been upgraded to gold because of disqualification of squad member for failing a dope test. Number 7. Under the Kumhar Sashактikaran Yojana of Khadi and Village Industries, Amit Shah distributed 100 electric potter wheels to 100 trains anti-cents in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. That's all for today. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.